back to Arctic RC. This weekend I got a gift from an old colleague of me. They were cleaning out an old house and they found this plane in the basement. So I got a question, do you want it? Of course I do want it. This is an old taxi, a VarioProp from Graupner, and I guess the age on this plane is about 30 to 40 years old, and it's quite beautiful, but as you can see, it missing the tail, the elevator and the side rudder, but that doesn't matter because I had this old sailplane laying around, so I'm just going to use the rudders on this taxi. Tested the compression on the motor and it works quite great. It's an OS Max 30 two-stroke. It will make a hell of a sound. It looks brand new, and that is because it's never been started. These servos are also VarioProp, old analog servos, but I guess I can use them, and I will do this rebuild quite quickly because in a couple of hours I will go out and test it. So just stay tuned and I will clean up this old plane and try to get it in the air. 3-channel taxi. Beautiful. See you guys later. Ja, det får håll. Och vuxna mannen ska. Oh, tears of joy. But it works. Memo to myself. Never put rudder on a 3-channel radio. Fuck! Det är långning och nästa.
Båda var det.
Det är crash.
Jag bara lojnat in på nästen. Det är en som manglar.
Alle får.
Alle får.
Du eller?
Ja.
Ja.